Good morning, dear students. Today we shall discuss about data types and types of declarations. A definition data type. The type of data that a variable holds is called a data type. A definition in this: the type of data that a variable holds is called as data type. C provides five basic data types with key, word, and size in bytes. There are five different types of data types: integer, real, double precision, character, non-specific. Integer keyword is int, the size is 2 bytes. Real, it's called float, size is 4 bytes. Double precision, double, the keyword is double, the size is 8 bytes. Character, char, the size is 1 byte. Non-specific type, it's called void. Apart from these data types are some other data types. They are called as the data modifiers or data qualifiers. Int, it is a keyword. Int, it's an integer, the size is 2 bytes. It is a keyword that indicates an integer number. Any integer number is a sequence of digits without a decimal point. The range on int depends on the word length. It means the number of bits can be accessed at any time by the processor. If it is a 16 bit, then the range is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767, the 16 bit range. And same situation, 32 bits also same. Next, valid integer is either plus or minus values. Example, minus 248, 54, 3657, minus 9874. Invalid integer is minus 3, comma 3232, comma not allowed. Minus 32.1, decimal point not allowed. 987545 onto the out of the range. Float, it is a keyword. It indicates the floating point number. The shifting of decimal point is either the left or right of some digits during manipulation, so called as floating point. They can also be expressed in a decimal form or scientific notations. It is also called as a mantissa point. It stores 66 significant digits after the decimal points. Float is provided with 4 bytes or 32 bits. 8 significant floating provided with 4 bytes or 32 bits, 8 significant bits after the decimal point. The range is 3.4 e power minus 38 to 3.4 e power of 38. Valid floating point numbers: minus 367.245, comma 2.8392 e power plus 02. Same situation, e to the power of minus 2. Invalid numbers: 3, 3, not allowed. Minus 32.1.9, 2 decimal points not allowed. Again, third one, it is out of range. Double, it is a keyword to indicate a double precision. It is associated with the accuracy of data. It is equivalent to float. The number of significant digits after decimal point is double. It stores 16 significant digits after the decimal point. Char, it is a keyword to indicate the character type data. The data may be a character constant or a string constant. Type character object are stored 1 byte. Character in the sense words or single digits or numbers. Okay. Wide, it has a no value. The type of function is said to be void when it does not return any values to the calling functions. Assigning value of variables. Variable in the sense a value does change the execution of a program is called variable. Assigning the value of variable. Variable represents some memory locations where data is stored. So, each variable is associated with one or more values. So, the process of giving values to variables is called as assigning values. Values can be assigned to variables using the assignment operator, that is equal to operator. The below shows syntax variable name equals to constant. Example, sum is the variable name, 0 is the value, I is the variable name, 1 is the value. There are two methods of assigning the values. First one is the initial values can be assigned to variables within the declaration part as shown in the below example. Int sum equals to 0, float average equals to 87.58. This is the static assigning. Second one is the initial values can be assigned to variable in the executable part before initializing declare the variable in the declaration part as shown in the below example. The below example shows int sum float average sum equals to 0, average equals to 87.58. This is the dynamic assigning. Symbolic constant. A symbolic constant is a name that substitutes a numeric constant, a character constant, or a string constant. Symbolic constant in the sense numeric constant or character constant or string constant. The below example shows assume that we are compiling the area of a circle using the formula. The area of a circle formula is area equals to pi r square. We are elaborating the area equals to 3.142 into r into r. In this formula, 3.142 is a numeric constant, can be replaced by the symbolic constant named as pi. Thus, the formula takes the new area equals to pi into r. Here, we substituted pi for a numeric constant during the compile time. Each occurrence of pi is replaced by its value defined. So, the symbolic constant are defined using a preprocessor statements, that's called hash define. Example, hash define pi 3.142. Next, hash define name is any one place name, Ballari or Bangalore or whatever. Next, hash define count equals to 1. Generally, the symbolic constant is written in uppercase letters. It must be defined at the beginning of program, that is before main function. We discuss about some questions in particular concept. First question is, what is the range of integer for an 16-bit? And the option is minus 31,245 to plus 31,244. And the second option is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. And the third option is minus 32,989 to plus 32,988. Last one, none of the above. Which one is correct? B, minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. And the second question is, what is the size for real numbers? 6, 8, 4, 2. Which one is correct? 4 bytes is correct. Assigning values to the variable can be done, and the option is declaration part, executable part, both A and B, either A or B. Either A or B assigning values to the variables can be done either A or B, a declaration part or executable part. Fourth question is, which operator is used for assigning values to the variables? Equals to, double equals to, and hash. Which one is correct? First one is correct, equals to operator. Symbolic constant is value changes during the execution of a program. Is a name that substitutes a numeric constant, a character constant, or a string constant. Value which does not change during the execution of a program. None of the above. Which one is correct? Second one is correct. Symbolic constant is a name that substitutes a numeric constant, a character constant, or a string constant. Next question, which operator is used to define the symbolic constant? At symbol, percentage symbol, hash symbol, star symbol. C, hash symbol. Thank you, students.